Hi, Carl. Looking at your logos, they all speak to your audience. As a designer, I can tell you what my instincts are, but you're going to have to go with yours. I like the DH here because it looks like speed, and that would scale really well. That would look good on a hat. It would look good teeny tiny on a website, but it would also look cool on a shirt. This one, I like this font. I actually like this font better than this font. This font to me is very preppy. It looks like micro brewing. It's called a slab serif, and it was really popular, I want to say 5 or 6 years ago. It's still super cool, but I think this one has a more contemporary look. The thing is, I do see what you're doing with dark. You want it to look dark. My problem with that is I'm not sure that that would reproduce well. That is also the issue over here with the gradient and the skateboarder, upside down skateboarder. Those look cool in Illustrator, but as a designer, you want to think about where they're going to end up, right? So they're going to end up on a hat, on a sticker, maybe on a business card, maybe somewhere really small. And the lower you go, the smaller you go with it, they disappear. What if your client wants to print this Dark Hill Circle one on cheap paper? Like maybe it's going to go in a local newspaper, those kind of things. They're everywhere. The word dark would probably get lost because the ink would spread and the black would just sort of take over. Same with this skateboarder up here. The smaller it goes, the more it looks like a mistake. All right, so that said, I do like sort of the waveform hills you got there. That's kind of cool. So that's my input. You got to go with whatever you want to go with, but think about the practicalities. And I still adore the Pac-Man guy on the skateboard. I think that would print at any size. If you wanted to go with either of these, I do recommend that you be consistent with stroke size, because that helps give it a more polished look. Like maybe the upturned smiley eyes here are the same size as the width of the skateboard. I could actually post an article I found about that for you. All right, those are my thoughts. Good progress. Let me know if you have any questions.